Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi AIoT router AX3600, and I'm gonna show you how to reset all settings, how to make hard reset on this device. So you can create the factory reset using the web interface, but if you wanna take your device to the factory settings without the web server, so you need to use this reset button. So you need to perform the hard reset. So now I will press on this button and we need to release this button. When here we will see one red LED lamp. So press and hold 1, 2, 3. I'm holding it right now. Still hold. Great, now you can release this button. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.